So you've seen that Teepublic is having a sale and you don't know if you should buy it or not. Well, I didn't know either, and then I bought it. So I'm going to answer some questions about if you should buy it. Short answer is yes, you should. I bought 3 shirts, each for like 13 bucks. All worth it. I'm very tired because I just came back from Sarnia. So this video is just going to be me trying them on. As you can tell, I am dead inside right now. And I'm going to pretend to know what I'm talking about. So I got the cheapest shipping, obviously. That was around 7 to 14 business days, and it came in 10 or 9 business days. I'm not exactly sure because, again, I was in Sarnia. Okay, this video is going to be really rushed, but I just came back from Sarnia, which you already know probably, and I'm just going to try them on, and I'm not in frame, and you can probably hear my parents backing me in the background, and I'm rambling again, but I'm going to try them on, and I already said that. Okay, shit. Okay, this is the full sleeve Broly shirt, and holy crap, this is really nice. I don't know how to... This is the side, this is the front, the material's actually really nice. It has like cuffs things, wrists, shit, my hands are fucking crap. Anyways, it looks pretty nice. I love the design, that's why I bought it. I thought it was gonna be a little smaller, but I'm kind of glad it's big. And my hair is looking like trash. But yeah, it looks pretty, it fits pretty nice. I'll go in the back, but this is me as my grandma's staying over, so she's probably gonna hear this and think I'm going insane, but it's okay because this is a really nice shirt and it was pretty cheap. I think I'm gonna try the other ones. Okay, this is not proper lighting. This lighting does not do justice to the shirt because the shirt is actually really nice in the lighting that I'm seeing with my eyes, because it's like a dark maroon kind of thing, which is really different for me because everything in my closet's black or dark gray, which is obviously the best color that you should pick. But Super Saiyan Rose, I thought, you know, I had to switch it up a little bit. The original one was all black, but I figured Goku Black's already wearing black, so might as well not get a black shirt. I said black 3 times in that sentence. Great shirt, good material, I think, to me. So that's what I think. I'm actually having a mental... I just had a stroke. And last but not least, of course, Red Ribbon Army, gotta represent the androids of the series, and this shirt is also very nice. I didn't want to get it in black because that was more expensive. This is called Charcoal Heather, and it was cheaper, so that's why I did it. Otherwise, perfect logo. I'm gonna actually, you know what? I'm gonna put on a light colored shirt, full sleeve under this. This is the only white shirt I could find offhand immediately. It's from a concert that never mind. Anyways, this is the, this is what the look I'm trying to get. This is me right now. This is me right now. And it's gonna take some time. I'm gonna get a thing orange here and pants that are not black. I don't remember. You'll see the picture there. MVP of the Tournament of Power, like, come on, you know what I mean? You just, come on. So, yeah, this is... I'm so out of breath. Okay, I don't know. How do I end this video? I don't do crap like this.